whenever you're ready, buddy. Go.
Right. Welcome to all concerned Australians about our nation's future for our children and grandchildren. Page 1. I've provided the following evidence of what appears to be bureaucratic corruption redevelopment approvals. My presentation will be presented in 3 parts. Part 1. I name the major Sydney Local Council who seems to be guilty of what appears to be corrupt development approvals. The $64 question is, how many councils or shires are guilty of fraudulent development approvals by stealth and deceit? Part 3 will show irrefutable evidence that local councils and shires have been permitted to operate unconstitutionally and illegally by federal, state and territorial governments. Part 1, page 2. Are New South Wales residents being betrayed? We've got to think about this very carefully, because really it's not only New South Wales, it's Australia-wide, and it's being controlled by the major political parties. And I think we've got to take time out for the future of our children and grandchildren. We've got to take time out to see how this is going to affect their future. Page 3. Correspondence to Mr. Frank Sartor, MP, Minister for Planning, was received on July the 25th, 2007, re major residential, commercial and retail project at Charlotte Street, Campsie. I want you to remember, Charlotte Street, Campsie. Page 4. This is the Planning Workshop Australia. Part of their plan, if you go to the bottom left-hand corner, you will see a highlight address there, former Sunbeam site, 60 Charlotte Street, Campsie. Remember, 60 Charlotte Street, Campsie, figure 2, locality plan. Page 5. 1. Location of site. 60 Charlotte Street, Campsie is situated 250 metres south of Canterbury Road. You've got to remember that it's 250 metres south of Canterbury Road and other developments that are going to be involved with the closeness of the major arterial road involved in these developments. Page 6. The aforementioned correspondence was sent to the Minister by Planning Workshop Australia Director Sue Francis. Copies were sent to Mr. Sam Haddad, Director General, New South Wales Government Department of Planning, and Mr. Jason Peruka, Executive Director of Strategic Sites and Urban Renewal. I want you to remember Director Sue Francis's name, for in Part 2 I will prove that she is guilty of a major conflict of interest.